Now let us try to create a variable draft. So I'll select the first face. I'll go to the hinges and select the top face. You can see I have the option of changing the angle right now. And when you are pressing or clicking the right click onto the white node over here, you will have an option called add angle. Simply press the add angle command and you can see we got another node over here which can be altered independently. So for the first node, let me change the draft angle to 17 or 20 degrees. For the second node, I can reduce the draft by clicking on the orange node, and I can alter the draft for this particular region independently. So this is basically creating a variable draft. Earlier this face was having a single draft, but right now we have options for varying the kind of draft we wanted. We have created two nodes and we are maintaining the draft with respect to each other. We can also change the location of this point. We can click on the edge. So we will be getting a message called as chain. Now we can simply drag it, say for example, to the end of the edge. So this angle is with respect to the outer edge or the corner edge. If I want to add another angle, I can simply go back to the first node. I can click on the add angle, or if I want to delete this, I can simply click the delete angle. But right now I want to add one more angle over here. So I'll just add a node by clicking on add angle, and I will drag this node to the other side at the starting edge. And here I can again alter the angle. I can increase it and press OK. So you can see that we have created a variable draft by simply adding the nodes and changing the angle.